We are pleased to present Module CCS 17 on cleaning agent selection and sampling. This session will discuss cleaning agent selection and sampling to ensure effective, efficient, and compliant cleaning. In today's session, we will cover laboratory testing for material compatibility and cleaning agent selection, operator training, the types of cleaning agents, cleaning validation, sampling methods, and clean hold time considerations. Laboratory testing often includes screening a combination of soils and the relevant process surfaces. Cleaning conditions can be selected based on the soil-surface combination encountered in the production equipment. Laboratory evaluations of the interaction between product and surfaces can be performed using test coupons made of the surface of interest under simulated cleaning conditions. Stainless steel coupons are the most common choice. It may be sufficient to include only those surfaces that are expected to be the most difficult to clean. A draft SOP should be created during the design and development of a cleaning process. The following issues should be considered in the SOP. The maximum allowable hold time for a piece of equipment after use but before cleaning, also called the dirty hold time. And also the time after cleaning but before use, sanitization or sterilization, which is referred to as the clean hold time, to prevent residue degradation and recontamination. The steps to be taken for disassembly of equipment for cleaning and inspection, the cleaning process parameters such as the cleaning agent, concentration, temperature, and durations of cleaning, the removal or obliteration of previous batch identification such as removing the previous batch markings, the sampling, testing aspects of the routine cleaning process, and the visual inspection for wear, residues, and foreign matter to ensure compliance and product safety. Operators should be trained in the requirements of the evolving or existing SOPs. Operator training for manual cleaning may also include qualification and/or requalification of the trainee by measuring residues and equipment cleaned by the operator. Proper training consists of understanding the SOP, demonstration of the correct procedures by the trained operator, and demonstration of the correct procedure by the trainee. Water is typically used in pre-rinsing, post-rinsing, and preparation of use dilutions. It can also be used as a sole cleaning agent for readily water-soluble residues. It must meet appropriate chemical, microbiological, and endotoxin levels. Organic solvents such as methanol are used for cleaning in small molecule API synthesis process and are generally chosen based on residue solubility. The issue of flammability should be considered. Cleaning processes using organic solvents involve agitation, circulation, and reflux. Isopropyl alcohol is commonly used for finished pharmaceutical manufacturing for its effectiveness and wide compatibility with products. Commodity alkalis such as sodium hydroxide are used for the alkali wash step. They may enhance the solubility of organic process residues, which can help to facilitate hydrolysis. They are widely available, relatively inexpensive, easy to analyze and validate. They facilitate the precipitation of salts or oxides which come from certain ions. They may have a limited effectiveness for adhered or baked on residues and a limited wetting or soil suspending ability. Commodity acids can be used alone. They minimize the potential for corrosion and rouge formation on metal surfaces. They can overcome precipitation and the buildup of inorganic compounds. They can also improve rinsing and broaden the spectrum of soils that can be clean. Formulated detergents are multi-component cleaning agents that take advantage of several different cleaning mechanisms. Their versatile approach allows for broad spectrum effectiveness. For example, formulated alkali detergents might improve wetting and soil penetration, emulsification, chelation, and dispersion of particulates in the wash step. The factors to consider when selecting a cleaning agent include their broad-spectrum effectiveness, their substrate compatibility, as they should not damage or degrade surfaces, their stability and shelf life, as the agent must remain effective and stable, their analyzability, which allows for easy monitoring and validation, their ease of disposal, as this should meet environmental and regulatory disposal requirements, their safety and toxicity, as it must pose minimal health risks to operators who come in contact with the agent, their rinsability, as they should not leave harmful residues, and finally, their overall quality, as they must be effective, reliable, and meet high standards expected. Thank you for watching this introduction to this module. If you'd like to watch the remainder and get 25% off our Contamination Control Fundamental program, head over to our website at pharmalliance.ie/training-programs and use code YT25OFF. Please do it now as spaces are limited and it's expiring soon. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the next module.